holidays. Today is day 3 of Vlogmas. Let's start off with my advent calendar. This is what it looks like. Day number 3. I have not opened it yet. Oh man, look at this. This says a lemon glow face wash. Chamomile infused. I love chamomile. Smells good. This is really cute. I have no idea what I'm going to do today. Honestly, I have a little bit of cleaning that I need to do involving the cats and putting more bedding on my ducks in my duck's pen. Other than that, we'll just see what I'm feeling. Okay, so I'm in the chicken coop right now. I have a few things I need to get tidied up in here because my chickens make an absolute mess in here. Let me show you what needs to be done. They throw bedding onto the pathway like crazy. I need to sweep that off. I need to add and refresh the bedding in the duck pen. That's dry over there, or right there, and this is all wet. So we're gonna put stall dry and more bedding on there. My chickens are in here while I'm cleaning up. Other than Crooked Toes, he's running around. He's my little pet chicken right there. That's Cinder, our rooster. All the other chickens. And my other little chicks. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. For the most part, it's all swept up. It's pretty good now. Now we're gonna take care of this mess. Like I said before, I hate using straw, but it's all we got right now. To make it easier for me to get the bedding out, I'm just gonna cut the sides down. First I have to take this out. Now I'm going to lay stall dry everywhere. This is just going to dry out the bedding so it's not as wet. I'm going to add another layer on top. Looking like a sand bath in here. Now we're gonna add the lid. Now we're gonna add the bedding on top. And cut this more. It's not coming out. All nice and refreshed, looking good. Who wants to cuddle? What is it called? Thumbnail! Okay, pose, Daffy, pose. This is not good. Pose, buddy, pose. Do you guys think that was good? Hopefully. I love my ducks. I'm gonna set my water back in. They do make a mess quite quickly, but it is what it is. Look at how grown. Oh, it's okay, buddy. Look at how grown Crooked Toes is getting. His real name's Nugget, but his nickname's Crooked Toes. Look at how good. He's growing so good. Yes, aren't you, buddy? Aren't you, buddy? He may have broken toes, but that doesn't stop him from being the sweetest boy ever. At least to us, anyways. Yeah, aren't ya? Aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Everybody is good in the coop. Almost forgot to let the chickens back out. Crooked Toes is back in his pen. Say, be free, be free. No, they've been out all day. Just put them back in there while I was tidying things up. So I decided to make pretzels. This is my first time doing this. This is what my best one looks like. I've never done this before, but I'm going to show you some clips of how I did it. Don't hate on my baking skills. I need to wash my cat's bowls and their water fountain, so I'm gonna go do that now. This one and this and that one all need to be washed. All clean and put back together now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!